Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss how money comes from YouTube and what its method. Watch the full video without skipping to understand the whole things. You can't deny that we who are YouTubers or those who want to do YouTube's or even those who do not do YouTube just watch it, all of them have this question in their mind once or twice. How much money is earned from YouTube? And how much money do the big YouTubers earn per month? Do you have such question in your mind? So this video is all of you. So to understand how much money is earned, we have chosen some main topics. But first we need to know that YouTube doesn't pay you. The advertiser, they are promoting products, they are promoting services, so the advertiser are pay money if it is the category that have big buyers. So the first is how to make money from YouTube. Suppose you watch a video on a channel, then an ads appear at the beginning or end of the video. So when you see the whole ads or skip a little after watching, then the YouTube company paid him some money to show the ad on that YouTube video. In this way, the main income of all YouTubers is the number of ads in the video and the amount of money earned from this ad. YouTube calls this process ad revenue in its own language. So from here two things are clear. So the first one is the main income of YouTubers users is ads. The more ads in the video, the more the income will increase, and the less the ad shows, the less the income will be automatic. Last one is subscriber. Subscriber has no direct relationship with income on YouTube. There may be an indirect relationship. There is no direct connection between the subscriber and the income. YouTube does not get the full amount of that ad revenue. Generally, YouTube gets 55% of the total ads revenue. This means that if an advertiser spent 100 rupees on the back of his ad, then YouTube is there for 45 rupees for himself and the remaining 55 rupees is given to YouTubers. What are the reasons for the increase or decrease in income from YouTube? There are three reasons for this. At first, length of video. Second is types of ad, and the third one is playback based CPM. First one is length of video. If the duration of your video is more than 10 minutes, then you can add multiply ads in your video. Types of ads. There are different types of ads in our video, and these different types of ads have different prices. For example, the price of non-skippable ad is the highest. Non-skippable ad means you can't skip those ads which are not showing skip option. Last one is playback based CPM. This means how much money advertisers are paying for every 1000 ads. This is called payback based CPM. So the higher it is, the higher your income will be. So for this main reason, the income of YouTubers is more or less. Hope you guys got all the information about income from YouTube by watching this video. Subscribe, like, share and comment on the channel to see more interesting videos like this. Thanks for watching.